Hi, Kirk and Stacy here on location and excited to show you our newest listing at 29 High Street here in Granby, Massachusetts.
If you're in the market for a well-cared for, spacious 3-bedroom ranch-style home with updated features, then you gotta look at this one.
Find everything you're looking for in this single-level property, such as 3 nicely sized bedrooms, updated full bath, spacious living room, gleaming hardwood floors, and stainless steel appliances.
My favorite is a completely renovated family room with dining area, which features a show-stopping cobblestone fireplace with a pellet stove insert.
You won't believe the size of this walkout finished basement, including large windows, stove, and full bathroom.
Outside you'll find all the perks you've been looking for, including a generously sized backyard, oversized 2-car garage with bathroom, a concrete deck, and plenty of parking.
We hope you've enjoyed your personal tour of 29 High Street here in Granby, Massachusetts. If you have any questions about this property or would like to schedule a private showing, please contact us at the number below.
Here at Revitas Realty, we believe who you work with matters, and we want to work with you.
Good.
Not that old yet.
Take it easy, take it easy. Single level property, such as a, ready?
Yep. Ooh, I gotta start that again. Such as a I'll get this out, I promise. Generously sized. I'm using words, too big words.